Assalamu alaikum. I am Luqman El-Kasabany and this is 𝐤𝐤𝐬 Academy. After understanding how to pronounce Al-Dhamm and the terms that are used in this lesson, today inshallah we will know how to read the Madmoom letters or the letters that are in the state of Al-Dhamm, letter by letter. So stay tuned.
𝐤𝐤𝐬 Academy.
This is just to remind you that we are explaining using Al-Minhaj book, the official book of 𝐤𝐤𝐬 Academy. So now we will discuss all Madmoom letters one by one. So before starting, I want you to remember this guide of reading to be able to read. This dark blue or green refers to heavy letter in all cases, and the light one, it refers to the heavy letter just in this case, and the dark green border heavy tongue letter and light green border light tongue letter, and the remaining is gray or black for light letters. So now this is the symbol of Al-Dhamm. As you can see, these are the symbols of Al-Dhamm, and now we will add all letters one by one and read to see how to read each letter. So just remember, we said pronouncing Al-Dhamm is by rounding the lips or circling the lips. Okay, as we said, الإمام الطيبي فإن ترى القارئ لن تنطبق شفاهه بالضم كن محققا بأنه منتقص ما ضم والواجب النطق به متم. So you have to round or circle your lips. So let's read these letters now. O, the first letter is Hamza. O, O, Boo, Boo, Tu, Tu, Thu, Thu. Look at my rounding of my lips. Thu, rounding of my lips. Thu, Ju, Ju, Hu, Hu, Khu, Khu, Du, Du, Dhu, Dhu, Ru, Ru. So here is an important note, which is a Ra in the state of Al-Dhamm is a heavy letter. Okay, a Ra in the state of Al-Dhamm is a heavy letter. We said when we explained maftuh letters that a Ra that has fatha is heavy, and a Ra that has kasra is light, and a Ra here that has dhamma is heavy. So a Ra with respecting or regarding al-harakat, a Ra has two states. Whether it's maftuh or madmoom, it will be heavy, or maksur, it will be light. Okay, two cases. Ru, Ru, it's a heavy one. Not Ru, not Ru, no, Ru, Ru. Zu, Zu, Su, Su, Shu, Shu, Su, Su, Du, Du, Tu, Tu, Dhu, Dhu, A'u, A'u, Ghu, Ghu, Fu, Fu, Qu, Qu, Ku, Ku, Lu, Lu, Mu, Mu, Nu, Nu, Hu, Hu, Wu, Wu, You, You. So the first note that we have here is that you have to circle around your lips. This is the first note. Okay, let's now also take other notes like da, ta, and ta. Okay, tu, and tu, and tu, and tu. Okay, the difference between them is just heaviness and lightness. At-ta is a light letter, at-ta is a heavy one. Tu, light and heavy. Tu, light and heavy. Okay, we have here also these two letters, الذال and الظا. So ذو, ظو, the difference between them is just heaviness and lightness. So الذال is light, الظا is heavy. And we said when we speak about heaviness and lightness, we speak about the back of the tongue. If the back of the tongue is raised, the letter will be heavy. If the back of the tongue is not raised, the letter will be light. So ذو, ظو, light and heavy. ذو, ظو, light and heavy. ذو, ظو, light and heavy. Okay, we have also here su and su, su and su, su and su, su and su. Okay, the difference between them is just heaviness and lightness, which means when we pronounce a sin, the back of the tongue is not raised, and when we pronounce a sad, the back of the tongue is raised. And this is, as we said before, something called in Arabic al-isti'la or al-istifal. Al-isti'la means the back of the tongue is raised, al-istifal is not. So su, 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 light and heavy. Su, su, light and heavy. Okay, we have also this zu, su, zu, su, zu, su. Okay, so the difference also is just the vibration of the vocal cords. Su, there is no vibration. Zu, there is a vibration. Zu, su, zu, su. Okay, also we have here this one of the differences between these two letters is qaf is heavy and kaf is light. Qu, ku, qu, ku, qu, ku. So al-qaf is heavy and al-kaf is light, which means when we pronounce al-qaf, the back of the tongue is not raised. Qu, but when we pronounce is raised, sorry, because it's heavy. And when we pronounce al-kaf, the back of the tongue is not raised. Ku, ku. Okay, so now I will say each letter now again, and I will give you time to read it after me. Okay, so let's start. Oo, boo, tu, thu, ju, hu, khu, du, ذو, ru, zu, su, shu, su, du, tu, ظو, عو, غو, فو, قو, كو, لو, مو, نو, هو, وو, you. Okay, so alhamdulillah, now we came to the end of this episode. As always, if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below. See you inshallah in the next episode. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. Now we came to the end of this episode. So if you want to follow up the next episodes, consider subscribing. Also, if you want a qualified Quran tutor, whether for yourself or your kids, we are providing online Quran classes. Don't forget to check out our app. See you inshallah in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum.
Shaykhi Academy. Learn and enjoy.